Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a common problem. Your Frigidaire Dehumidifier isn't collecting water. This usually means it's not pulling moisture from the air, and there are a few quick fixes you can try. First, check the humidity setting. If it's set too high, the unit won't run long enough to collect water. Lower it to around 40 to 45% so the compressor cycles on more often. Next, make sure the room temperature is warm enough. Most dehumidifiers won't work well below 65 degrees Fahrenheit because the coils can frost up. If your space is too cool, move the unit to a warmer area. Inspect the air filter. A clogged filter reduces airflow, preventing moisture from reaching the coils. Remove it, wash with warm, soapy water, let it dry completely, and reinstall. Check the water bucket and float switch. If the bucket isn't seated properly or the float is stuck, the machine may think it's full and stop collecting water. Reseat the bucket and make sure the float moves freely. Look at the coils for frost or dirt buildup. Frost means the room is too cold or there's a refrigerant problem. Dirt can be cleaned with a soft brush or vacuum. If none of these steps work, the compressor or refrigerant system may be failing, which requires professional repair. By handling these quick checks, you can often get your Frigidaire Dehumidifier back to collecting water. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your fix in the comments. Thanks for watching.